Students, here we have a list of food which has to be included in the diet of patient with the subacute fever, and things which we have to skip from the diet of the patient who is having that subacute fever. Why things are included and why things are avoided? As I guess you all are familiar with that. It is done so that a person's body can adapt to the nutrients more easily. They can absorb it, they can digest it, and while the things are avoided in order to just maintain the smooth functioning of the digestive tract so that it can work in a very proper way. Now the things which are included in our diet, these are, I'm just reading the keywords from there and leaving this space for you. Just read out the things which has to be included in the diet. There is a page of your ebook which is there on the website of cbsc.nic.in. From there you can download it that, but I'm just leaving it also for you to just read out. So the very first thing is plenty of fluids. That means in this disease there should not be deficiency of fluids in the body, because you all know that fluids are the essential part, and in this fever, due to certain activities like vomiting or that the body is ill, loss of fluid can occur, that we have to balance along with the electrolytes. That's why soup, like the coconut water, all these are included there. You can see it there. That is the first point. The second point which we have to include, that is the milk and milk based beverages. Why milk and milk based beverages? Beverages here means drinks which are made by adding milk, like buttermilk we have discussed. So it is included in diet because milk is considered as the complete food which is having all the essential things which should be there on the food. So that's why milk and milk based products. Then the diet which should be included is the bland, because we can't eat so much spices or so much flavor to that patient. That's why we should use bland diet, like, and well cooked also. Example is khichdi rice, which we have studied in our menu. In this book you will find one thing is that the things are repeated and you can relate the things with that. Repeated in the sense it is so much easy and it will just improve your dieting pattern. The next thing is here low fiber foods. That means why they are not fiber? Because fiber are considered as they are not getting digested in our body, rather they just remove the things which are attached to the wall of our digestive system. So here low fiber food is given because we need nutrients, and if we'll add fiber to the diet, then there would be competition between nutrients and the fiber. So in order to avoid that, what we do, we just give low fiber foods such as refined cereals, and that other products like even here written other products like maida, which would not be having fibers, and rava bread, less the food which are having less fibers. The thing which we have to again include here is that protein. Again I have just told you WBC of your body are made up of protein. Your the cells, all the cells are made up of protein because it is having plasma membrane which is made up of lipid and protein. So protein has to be included, like what can be given? Eggs, soft cheese, tender meat, fish, poultry, etc. Protein sources, but it is easy to digest also. Then plain gelatin based dessert, sugar, honey, candy, jam. Gelatin based which are having gelatin component in them, that food can also be given in this we can say disease subacute fever. Why? Because we have to give energy and maintain the energy. Here things which are written, that is the food which we have to avoid. Things which we have to see high fiber, basically just opposite. You have to just make the opposite of this. Like here it was written low fiber, we have to avoid high fiber. Then it is written there well cooked, just opposite raw food. Why raw food? Because that would be hard to digest. Then here it is written bland diet. So what we have to avoid? Strongly flavored. If you will use your intelligence, केवल इस point को याद करना है. In to avoid, you can just write down it's vice versa. That means it's just opposite. Then here it is written strongly flavored should be avoided because we are using bland diet. Then it is written thick creamy. At that time just remember that all was written 1 and 1.5 teaspoons. So that's why that thick creamy soup which are going to have food fat, sorry, that we have to avoid. Then the next thing is given here, that is the fried, because we are using bland diet. So that's why fatty foods should be avoided. Extreme sweet should be avoided because sweet will bounce the calories. That's why. Then all the spicy acidic food including spices, points are written here. I think it's visible to you. These should be avoided. Why these things should be avoided? Because these will just can cause inflammation in the digestive tract, and apart from that it will also just hamper the digestive system absorption of the nutrients in patient. So these things we have to consider while just giving or preparing a menu for the person suffering from subacute fever.